Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are a new viewer. What is up? What's tea? I really hate that I have to do these voiceovers, but look, I'm here, I'm doing it, but I'm really going to want to talk to you guys today. I really have a lot on my mind, and I feel like I don't talk to you guys at all. And if you're new here, I guess you're just gonna get to know me a little bit here in this video. Yeah, before I get into that, I just wanted to get that out there, let that marinate, let that sit with y'all. So y'all know that I'm about to be talking in this voiceover because I usually do not. Yeah, let me tell you about y'all hair this. Oh my gosh, let me tell y'all about this hair real quick. So today's hair was provided by Wiggins Hair. This is their 20-inch, 150% density small cap with Swiss lace in medium brown color. This is 13 by 4. I think I already said that. Did I say that? I don't know. Screw it. 13 by 4 lace, and this goes for $225 with the 20-inch. So, yeah, that's what we're working with today. Also, you see what I'm doing here. The wig is placed on my wig cap. I already did the bald cap method. I didn't feel the need to show this in the video since I did style this hair. But anyways, I'm going really smoothly over with this hot comb just to show you guys, like, look how smooth I'm going over it. Yeah, I'll do that before I lay down my lace so I can just really get a good placement and just see what it would look like if it was melted down already. So I highly recommend doing that. Go ahead and do that before you install your wigs. Go over it with the hot comb. Make sure it's not too hot. If it's too hot, it's gonna burn your forehead and you're gonna have a scar on your head for like 2 weeks. Don't recommend that, but I do recommend this. So today what I'm using to lay down my wig is Ghost Bond Platinum. In my recent videos, I have not been using Ghost Bond Platinum because I'm like, girl, you ran out. So let's try something new. Let's try Bold Hold. I went to the beauty store, the hair store, whatever you want to call it. Grabbed me some Bold Hold and I was using it in my recent videos. Didn't like it at all. Like, I don't know if it was the kind that I got because that was the only kind. So I didn't know if it was more kinds. But nevertheless, I didn't like it, so I'm like, all right, now I can't deal with it anymore. I still have it, but I'm like, I need to go get some Ghost Bond Platinum, which is what I'm used to, in which lays down my wigs very well. So yeah, I'm gonna do a couple layers of that, and then we're gonna lay the first part down. Then I'll come back when I have something else to say. All right, y'all, I'm back. And what I wanted to talk about was I just wanted to just talk to y'all just a little. I don't want to call it venting, but for lack of a better word, I just want y'all to feel me, because we don't talk. Me and my subscribers, my viewers, we don't talk because I don't talk to y'all, and that is all my fault. But we're going to get into that. We're going to talk about that while y'all watch me lay down this wig because, shoot, I never talk in my videos, so why not let y'all know what's up? So, to start off, I really am working on just wanting to rebrand my whole life, my whole entire life. Like rebranding my attitude, my um, mental health, my YouTube, my Instagram, since that got hacked. If y'all didn't know, just real quick, my Instagram got hacked and deleted by somebody in my city, but we're not going to give that person any attention. I just want y'all to know that my new Instagram will be in the description box down below, and I really would like for you guys to follow me because I was about to reach 10,000 on my last account, and now that account is going for good. But anyways, back to what I was saying about rebranding. So me just wanting to rebrand my life and things of the sort, I feel like me losing my Instagram was like the universe telling me, like, all right, this is you, this is your second step of rebranding, you know, because it started off with my mental health and just my state of mind, rebranding that and just wanting to get in a better place with that and being happy, wanting to be happy, wanting to be productive and things of the sort. So yeah, then boom, my Instagram gets deleted. I kept saying the number 555. I don't know if y'all with the universe and all that, but 555 represents change. And so yeah, rebranding, change, it all goes together. And so yeah, I just been really thinking about how I want to rebrand my YouTube channel as well as just being just more present. I want to start having a schedule, which I will. I really just want to know what y'all want from me because I feel like, I don't know, I look at my analytics, that's how you say it, and it's like all of my subscribers, most of my subscribers don't even watch my videos. Like, it's people that aren't subscribed to me. And if that's the case, y'all better subscribe, hit that button. But anyway, because it's about to get real. So, nevertheless, back to what I was saying. Yeah, my subscribers don't, it's not the subscribers that already subscribe to me watching my videos on a weekly basis, on a daily basis at that. And so I really just want my page to be, I just want to do more. I want to have a schedule, like I said, like a weekly schedule, like a day that I post or 2 days that I post every day in the week, as well as just doing more videos. Y'all see me do hair all the time, and it's like my friends and my family is always telling me, like, you have this big personality, like, why not showcase that to YouTube, which I do. And it's like, I need to, because I feel like we would really have a bond. Like, I genuinely love all of my subscribers. Like, genuinely, y'all comments make me so happy. The good ones, the bad ones, screw y'all, but they don't deserve my attention. But anyways, I really do appreciate everybody that is so nice to me here on this platform. Like, I really do. Like, I don't understand how many times, like, I would look back at my comments and just, if I'm in a bad mood, if I'm feeling like my self-esteem is getting a little low, I look back at my comments and just my views at that and look at all the love, the genuine love from y'all, and it's like, y'all don't even know me, bro. We don't even talk, you know. It's like, y'all don't know me. And I feel like if y'all got to know me, we would really have a bond, basically. So that's really what I want to do. I really want to start doing more talking videos, but y'all gotta let me know what y'all want. You know, y'all let me know. Get Ready With Me's makeup, vlogs. So I think I'm gonna post something or just say it in the comments, because y'all probably be skipped through my videos anyway, because I be doing that. But let y'all know, like, tell me more what y'all want, because I'm really serious about rebranding my life, because I mean, the universe is pushing me too. I mean, 555, seeing that number every day, oh, like, girl, get your stuff together. But yeah, rebranding, this is what I want to do. I really want to just be more present here on YouTube, because this is where I get the most love. Y'all love me here. Well, y'all love me on Instagram too, but my account got deleted, so then nobody following me no more. But I actually am really grateful. I'm just talking at this point. But I really am grateful about the how many followers I've gotten in just amount of like 4 days, I think. And yeah, I'm really proud of that. So I would really appreciate if you guys would follow me, maybe shout me out or something. But yeah, follow would be nice. But yeah, I feel like I've talked a lot. I'm gonna let y'all watch the video, and if I come up with something else to say, I'll come back and talk. But yeah, I hope y'all, this wasn't distracting from y'all watching the video, laying down this lace. But yeah, I'll be back, maybe. Alright, you guys, this is the end of this video. I'm sorry for talking our ears off in the beginning, but I just had to get that out. So seriously, y'all, let me know what more you guys want to see from me. And I know I used to ask you guys this all the time on my Instagram, and I never acted on it, but I really am now. I promise you guys, a change is coming. We're rebranding this channel. You guys are going to see a new Monty Jean, and yeah, really, let me know. Let me know. I'll mention it again in the comment section and the description box. Maybe I'll probably just do it in the comment section because that's where y'all tend to look. Well, I don't know. Maybe both. Maybe both. I don't know. Nevertheless, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Wiggins Hair, for providing me this wig and letting me show my creativity through this video. And yeah, I love all of you guys. Thank you guys for watching. I already said that, but I don't care. Thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one.